Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you join Telegram channel of Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get all the latest informations and updates about Bitget wallet, you just simply have to open Bitget wallet, and after opening that, you just simply have to tap into this four circled icon into the top left corner. Now, after tapping into there, scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get this community option. Simply select the community option, and after that, it will open this website for you. Just simply wait, and then you will get to see this option of Telegram. Now just simply tap to Telegram, and after tapping in there, it will open this channel of Bitget announcement into your Telegram. Just simply join this community, and this way you can very easily join Bitget wallet Telegram community. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.